it's your host Adit. You're watching Hightech Bro, and today I've got something new for you guys, as usual. So, as you can see in front of us, it's the all-new Bose SoundlinkMini Color2. This is the new color, which is kind of green, kind of yellowish. So let's take a look at the features. And it's bold sound, water-resistant and rugged, and it's made of rubber. It has a coating of rubber on it, so it makes it shock-proof. And soft touch silicone exterior, yeah, not rubber, that's silicone type. Paired to stereo or party mode, you need any SoundLink series or Sound Revolve series speakers from Bose to connect this, like if you want stereo mode. And otherwise, if you even have a SoundTouch 10, 30, 20, you cannot connect it, because these two speakers are based on other platforms, completely different platforms. And over here it's a Bose Connect app to get much more features, and speakerphone, and up to 8 hours of per charge. The price is 11,500, and it's quite similar to the Bose SoundTouch 10 in comparison of the sound. So let's quickly unbox it and let's see what this beast got. So I've unboxed the box, means I've opened the box, and over here it's the speaker. Let's keep it aside and let's see the other contents in the box. So over here it's I think a manual. I think it's a Bose Connect manual, and over here it's the SoundlinkMini Color2 manual. And as usual, Bose warranty cards over here. Yeah, this is not warranty card. This is the phone numbers or telephone numbers of the Bose service centers or the Bose support in any country. And over here is the charging cable, normal USB, micro USB charging cable, just connected to any charger, not fast charger. You can also charge this with a power bank if you have one. So let's quickly test the sound. So let's first turn this thing on.
Battery medium. Connected to.
Okay, it says that battery is in medium level. Let's max it up. Here. Okay. I think it's connected. Battery is 40%. Let's play a music. Let's just play. No copyright music because YouTube policies, man. So let's just play it. Let's do it on max from here. This also supports NFC, by the way. Max. Oh, pretty cool. The bass is punchy. The bass is too punchy, actually. Over here is the air vents, and in the front is the speaker grill from where the sound comes on, or the output part. Let's just play another song. Okay, one of my favorite. Let's play this. This little guy has too much bass in it, actually.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the corridors, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I recommend you guys to wear headphones. Okay, this was actually on the next level. The bass, the clarity, always. It's, of course, man, it's Bose. The clarity is too good. So if you are thinking of buying it, so I recommend you this speaker if you have a budget of 12,000. And this is the best portable speaker in this range I've ever heard even. Yes, you do have the sound revolve with the soundtest 10, so completely it's your choice. But if you want to carry a portable speaker, either this one or the sound revolve. So guys, this was the review of the Bose all new Bose SoundlinkMini Color2. So if you like the video, comment down below and share the video, like it, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye for now. I will see you later in the next video.